Ruthvik. I've done my engineering in electronics and communication in PNM IT Institute of Technology in the year of 2018. So after my engineering, I had a gap of 2 years. In that time, I thought of what to do and how to proceed forward in my career. At that point of time, I got to know of Emertxe Institute through a friend who referred me that this is a good institute to get into a core company. So in Emertxe, I came and inquired about how the process works. They have all the modules which are divided based on the current market requirement like C, C++, microcontrollers, data structures, and whatever is required for the current market to get a job. So in each module, each mentor provides us with all the required information, all the knowledge needed to crack an interview. So after each module, we'll have a number of tests which are MCQs and which are subjective tests, and we'll also have mock interviews at the end of the course which helps us to crack interviews much more efficiently. Currently, I have been placed at Axiom Research Labs. A lot of mentors help us to do assignments. In each module, we have a number of assignments which tackle the core concept in that needed to proceed in the embedded field. So in embedded C, especially taught for us by Biju sir, was very excellent. The assignments, the project, everything went very well. Frankly, I can say I cracked this interview in Axiom Research Labs through embedded C, which was taught to us by Biju sir. So if anyone is looking into going core embedded field, they don't know how to get into it or where to start or how, they can come to Emertxe and you can surely get a job in core embedded field. Thank you.